So if you have a case that you absolutely love, no matter if you have an iPhone 12 or newer with built-in MagSafe, but your MagSafe doesn't work because of the case that you bought, or if you have an Android phone that has Qi charging and it doesn't have a magnet in the back to put onto MagSafe accessories, you can get these little rings from Syncwire, which, by the way, they did send these out to me for a full honest review. It's just little tiny, very thin magnets. You have adhesive on one side. It comes in the 3-pack. You get 2 black and 1 white, so you can match it to your phone. Comes with this little positioner, so you can center it. You want to make sure you position it correctly. Most phones are going to have it directly in the center, but you do want to check with your phone to see where the MagSafe or the Qi charging is to make sure that it's centered onto the right place. So I'm going to attach it to this case right here, and as you can see, let me show you really quick. The phone itself is MagSafe, so there you go, boom, bada boom. You know, it charges. But when I put this into the case, I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with. Looks nice, looks great, but when I put on the Qi charger, it falls down. So, or the MagSafe charger, it just falls because it's not strong enough to go through this case because it's not a MagSafe compliant case. So we're going to take this black one. I'm going to go ahead and center this. I'm going to use this little positioning card and make sure, I'm going to test it first. Just kind of hold it there and make sure that the Qi charging still works. And then I'm going to take off the backing and glue it down. Pretty much dead center on this phone. Most iPhones are going to be dead center, but you definitely have to check it out and test it for your own phone. So let's take some patience. Try to make sure everything's even. And then just push it down. Boom, bada boom. That looks amazing. Yes, it does. And just push it down. Maybe want to leave it there for an hour before, you know, you put it onto a Qi charger or a MagSafe charger for a long time. Let's go ahead and test this. Ready? Boom, bada boom. It is charging. Very cool. Let's try that again. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom, bada boom. It is charging. All right, it's so simple, so easy. And I can use this on all MagSafe accessories. Really, really cool. Great little magnet rings from Syncwire. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful. See you guys on the next one.